If you want to post GIFs in Instagram comments, this video is for you. Instagram now allows users to reply with animated GIFs and comments, and it's super easy once you know where the option is. Let me show you step by step how to post the GIF in Instagram comments using your iPhone or Android phone. First, open the Instagram app. Now open any reel, post, or photo where you want to leave a GIF comment. Tap on the comment section. Over here, look carefully near the text box. You'll see the GIF option on the right side of the comment field. Tap on GIF. Now Instagram opens the built-in GIF search powered by Giphy. You can search for any reaction GIF you want. For example, type funny, wow, happy, clapping, laughing, OMG, or any trending meme reaction. Once you find the GIF you like, simply tap on it. And boom, the GIF instantly gets posted as a comment. That's it. You can also use GIF comments to make your replies more engaging and funny on Reels and viral posts. Now, if you don't see the GIF option on Instagram comments, here are a few quick fixes. First, update Instagram from the App Store or Play Store. Older versions sometimes don't support GIF comments. Next, log out and log back into your Insta account. Also, make sure your internet connection is stable. And sometimes Instagram rolls out features gradually, so the GIF comment feature may not appear on all accounts immediately. If you still don't see it, wait for a future Instagram app update. Now I want to know something from you guys. What's the funniest GIF you've ever used on Instagram? Comment below and let's see who has the craziest reaction GIF collection. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more Instagram tips and tricks.